Clip the base to the edge of the table. Tighten the two retainers at the bottom to secure the base. Install the limit ring on the support column. Install the microscope holder onto the support column and tighten the locking knob to secure it. Adjust the knob to control the rotation of the front lever arm. Adjusting the long knob, controlling the raising, lowering, and fixing of the front lever arm. Two microscope lens mounting methods are provided. The first method involves loosening the knob, inserting the lens holder into the hole in the lever arm, and then tightening the knob to secure it. The second method involves using an L-shaped wrench to loosen the screws on the lens mount, rotating the connection 90 degrees, and inserting it into the upper hole of the mount. Tighten the knob to secure it, and use an L-shaped wrench to tighten the screws. Loosen the screws, place the microscope lens on the stand, and tighten the screws. Loosen the screws, install the eyepieces, and then tighten the screws. The other eyepiece is installed in the same way. Place the two leather cases over the eyepiece. Install connectors on the screen, connecting the screen and microscope lens. Connect screen power. Use an L-shaped wrench to tighten the connector. Mount the objective lens onto the microscope lens. Install the ring light and connect the power supply. Tighten the 3 screws to secure the ring light. Adjust the knob to control the brightness of the lights.